Namaste students, myself Vishnu Samotia, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Practical session, Synthesis of Triphenyl Menthanol. Students, to the synthesis and isolated a pure sample of triphenyl methanol in the highest yield possible using the Grignard reagents. Procedure. In a setup, the following apparatus filtering the drying tube and distracted of others drying agents provides. Apparatus are given below. Add close the stop and waters in including the water bath and add cotton and discreted. So add about 2 ml of anhydrous ether to the round bottle through the separately funnels and allow the ether to evaporate it and push the oxygen atmosphere and most of the water out of the glass vessels. After, prepare a solution of 2.4 ml of bromobenzene and 5 ml of anhydrous ether in a small dry flask and cap to the flask. And next are weight of the 0.5 gram of magnesium turnings. These have been freshly ground into the round bottoms. So flask and after add to the 5 ml of ether to the flask and the very small crystal of iodine. You only needed to the smallest crystal of iodine you can find. Just big through to she should do not add more than this much iodine resemble to apparatus and make sure so the stop of the separately funnels is closed. After, add the bromobenzene solution into the closed separately funnels and turn on the water to the condenser. Next are open to stop coke of the separately funnels is a capillary and to the add to the 1 ml of the bromobenzene solution in the reactions flask, then the close to the separately funnel which the reactions carefully to see with its start. So you will see the start in the ether beginning to the bubbles or the solutions greatest cowardly. So one of the reactions start in the important is a slowly drop ice at the bromobenzene to the reactions. So you want to the minimum and gradually the boils in this reactions flask. So the reactions will be stopped and add often take about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. After once of the bromobenzene has been added, heat the reactions to reflex for 15 minutes. You should have your heat source readily and at the point does not start heating if after to you have add to the bromobenzene. If necessary, add the more through the separately funnels so that the total reactions volume is at least 10 ml at the points. So reactions are obtained brown, grey, chocolate will be the only small big of the metal remainings. So turn off the heats and allow the Grignard reagents so cool the room temperature. Okay. So students, after the dissolve 1.2 ml of methyl benzoate into the 5 ml of anhydrous ethers in a small Erlenmeyer's flask and there the solutions in the separately funnels. So make sure so the stop cork is closed. Students, after the add the benzene solution to the Grignard reagent slowly drop wise. This reaction is exothermic and will begin to bubbles. Add the benzoate at a rate of the mentions to reflex after the benzoate is all added. Add 2 ml of ether to the sap funnels to wash out remaining benzoate and allow it to the drips slowly into these reactions. Okay. So students, after the benzene is added to heat the reactions in boiling for about 20 minutes that cool to the room temperature. Okay. Student, general workup put about 10 ml of 6 m sulfuric acid and 10 gram of the ice in beaker and slowly add your reactions mixers to the beaker with startings And students, about 5 ml of ether, no large needed, and hydrous ether Y. So to the reactions flask to wash outing remaining material add into the beakers. So still so the solid have a dissolved. If that does not all dissolved and the ether, so you have a total of the 50 to 20 mls of ether in a beaker. So the aqueous layers to be the source in the acids is it not is called 66 m sulfuric acid dropwise. So is unit to the aqueous layers in acids. So the pure of the all mixers for the beakers into the separately funnels and shake and wet to remove the layers and wash to the organic layer separately with the 5 ml of the portions of brine to the 2 5 milliliter of the portion of the started sodium bicarbonate and 5 ml of the portions of brine to dry the organic layers. So with sodium sulfuric and magnesium sulfates. Students, next are recrystallizations to the crew the product of the cyclohexanes about 10 ml per gram of the product and isolated the product by vacuum filtration cooling air through the purified product for several minutes. So obtain the melting points of the purified products. Students, general discussion you have you should probability have the paragraph and 2 about the synthesis of the proceeds point out the important points of the procedures, and for examples are the flask of iodines with added because ether was allowed to evaporated to the push and air out of the glassware because so since the purpose of the experiment was to the synthesize the compounds is highly yield and purity. So should be probability to discuss your yield and use the data your collection. So to discuss and identity the purity and it's the compounds your isolated. Okay. So students, you should probability have the paragraphs discussing what work. What did not to have the reactions could be improved. Do not including thinkings likes. So the reactions would work better if it did not split it. So do including the changes to the world include yield or purity. Okay students, thank you.